welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Planmas day número 3. Anyways, for today's video I have an unboxing from the Simply Gilded, and this is their celebration box. I am very excited to open up this box with you guys and girls. I have not opened this, waiting to open it with you all, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I feel, give me one moment. So in here you get the little card that tells you everything that you're getting, and should I zoom in a little? And there you go. So this is the little card and it tells you everything you're getting, and for the price I think it's a great deal. And let's start by showing you the stickers. You guys, this is full of planner goodies. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I have not even opened these. Oh my god, you guys, these are so pretty. So I think this is like all the kind of boxes that she's had all year. I don't know. Oh my god, but these are so beautiful. I don't know if the camera would do it justice because they have a lot of foiling in them and, you know, the glare. But oh guys, look at this. So pretty. The most beautiful stickers. Look at this. Oh my god, so pretty. And oh, but there's more. So these are 5 sheets. These are 5 sheets of stickers. Alright, and here I have more. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Oh, these are pretty. And the famous bows, which I was dying to get because I don't have any. Super pretty. And here's another sheet. These are a little bit more functional. And here we have the days of the week. I can't wait to make a spread with these. They are adorable. Very high quality. Okay, I'm gonna do this some other time. So this is the alright, so I am sorry for all the glare. But yeah, this is how it looks like in there, and I'm actually very excited to just add everything in here. Oh my goodness. Alright, so I'm gonna start in the back, and there's a few things right here. Everything has the most beautiful foil in them, you guys. Check this. This is the little, okay, so just so I say, foil, the foiled journaling card, which is gorgeous, by the way. And here we have also vellum and acetate sheets, which I don't know if, yeah, I think the vellum and the acetate is here. And I'm gonna have to get some scrapbook paper so you can see, because my background is white and I'm not gonna be able to see it well. But this is the vellum, and it's beautiful, and it has all this little tiny confetti, and it has like little tiny bows and stars. So pretty. And this is the acetate, and let me get, okay, this is the acetate. I don't know if I'm helping at all, but I don't know, but it has like that little cute bunny. Let me see if I can have a different color that will help you. Okay, it won't. But yeah, it has like a little bunny, and it's all holographic or silver. Oh my god, super pretty. I am in love, guys. I am in love. I'm in love. And next up we have shaker pouch, printer, sticker sheets and seal, rainbow b6. Okay, so this is a rainbow b6 size notebook. So I'm gonna open this up and struggle out and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the basics rainbow notebook, and it's really pretty with the same same glitter outside, and the pages are different colors, which I think it's very cute and I think I can carry this with me on the go to jot down notes and things like that. Alright, so in here we have more goodies. Ooh, I am so excited. My goodness. I do not regret this at all. So you guys, this is the most beautiful shaker album ever, I swear. Alright, so I don't know, I'm so excited, I don't even know what to show you first. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the pen. The pen is also very pretty, and it's pink, and it has a little weight to it. Oh my. So this is the pen. I love. Alright. And here are the washi cards. Low key, guys, I've never had washi cards. Even this little card, it's pretty to make it into like a little bookmark or something like that. So these are the washi cards. They're different colors. So we have purple and like a teal, bluish, we have green, we have gold, and we have pink. And these are really nice to share with planner friends. Alright, next up, let me see, is this like a sticky note? Okay, so I don't know what this is called. I think it's sticky notes, I'm not sure. But, whoops. It's like a little notepad. It's so pretty, you guys, and I feel like I can, well, let me just take the back one out, but I can just punch it, and check this out, it fits my micro. Yay, so exciting. And again with that beautiful foiling detail, which is so pretty. And next up we have the washi. Yay. So for this one I have to zoom it in because, alright, so I hope I'm making it okay. You know what, you are gonna watch my ashy hands up close. Alright, so this is the first washi roll. Oh my god, you guys, I cannot wait to use this on my spreads. So we get 3 regular size washi tapes and 2 5 ml. She does have the add-on, but I didn't feel the need to have the add-on. So this was the first roll. Wait, this is the first roll, and I have the bowl one, the famous bowl one, and I am very excited because this is my very first Simply Gilded washi. Oh my god, and it's my favorite color. This is basically the same washi but a little thinner. Okay, and these are the 5 ml, which they have like a little ombre look. I hope you guys can see. Okay, so there it is, and here are all of them. And she had a mystery item, and it's this cutie right here. Wait, what? Right here. Oh my god, this is beautiful. It's a pin, and I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I'm gonna find a place. So that is basically it, you guys. I've been dying to subscribe, and I was watching a lot of YouTube videos, and I swear we planner girls are the biggest enablers there are. There is this planner girl whose name I don't remember right now, but I will find her and I will put her name right here. But she turned these into a B6 traveler's notebook, and I thought it was a great idea. I would not try it because I don't want to mess it up. But yeah, this is pretty much everything that came in my subscription. I cannot wait to get my December box. So I'm really excited. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.